stars, triangles, circles, and the dreaded umbrella. Regret is instant and universal. The task: carve out your shape using only a needle. Break it, and you're out. The arena becomes a symphony of scraping, nails on tin, sweat dripping, hands shaking. One contestant's cookie snaps just lifting it from the tray. Brutal, but heroes emerge. A girl etches a perfect umbrella. Someone whips out a lighter. A few start licking their cookies like desperate kids at recess. It's gross. It's genius. It's survival. Time runs out. Dozens more fall. Only 142 remain. But Miss Beast isn't done. Leave now, and I'll give you $4,000. Suddenly, quitting looks noble. Dozens dash for the exit. Sometimes, the bravest move is knowing when to walk away. Strength is the name of the game in tug of war. 12 teams of 10, ropes, pits, and elimination.